Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to find your call history on WhatsApp. Whether you're looking to review past calls or simply curious about the feature, this guide will walk you through the steps in just a few moments. To begin, grab your phone and open the WhatsApp app. You'll find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Just tap it to launch WhatsApp. Once inside, you'll see various tabs like Chats, Updates, and Calls. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the Calls tab. Next, tap on the Calls tab. This tab is represented by a phone icon and is usually located at the bottom of the screen for iPhone users or at the top for Android users. Once you tap it, your call history will be displayed. This includes all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls made through WhatsApp. Your call history is organized chronologically, with the most recent calls appearing at the top of the list. Each entry provides useful details such as the contact name, type of call, voice or video, and the date and time of the call. If you notice a contact's name highlighted in red, it means you missed a call from that person. If you want more information about a specific call, simply tap on that entry. This will open up additional details like the exact duration of the call and options to call back or send a message directly from there. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to access your WhatsApp call history. It's a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of all your conversations effortlessly. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to explore more features within WhatsApp to make the most out of this versatile communication tool.